To use the alignment guides and dynamic guides in CorelDRAW, we come to this. It's used to align object like this. So we'll come to a view menu. Then you see alignment guide. The shortcut is Alt Shift A. The dynamic guide is Alt Shift D. Let's start with the alignment guide. So this is how it works. Let me turn on the dynamic guide also. I did not hold anything. I hold control to maintain the location, the distance, the base. So what can you see that if you zoom down, you will see that the alignment guide is telling me that this is the edge, this is the bottom. So can you see it? It's showing me that this arrow is standing as alignment guide to make it align to the left. If I want to also align this one to the right, can you see it? All these arrows, and it's very important when it comes to arranging objects or text in CorelDRAW. That's why it's advisable for you to turn it on. That's why it's also part of this course. So this is how it works. You're welcome. Meet you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more videos like this. You're welcome.